Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's in Look Fantastic July 2023, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing Look Fantastic. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95, I think. And every month you will receive 6 beauty products, from makeup to skincare. And also, lovelies, I asked them, and if you want to use my referral code, which is up in here, you will get 20% off. So yes, just try it. All the info, all the link will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. It's quite heavy, this box, and I did my lineup spoiler of the subscription box. So if you want to check it out too, I will pop on the top here. So on the top we have the card, which is says Beat the Heat, this month theme, and then we have the QR code, which I will try it. Usually it's not available yet. Yeah, it's not available yet. I think it will be available on the 1st of the month, of the 1st of July. The spoiler for next month, if you're curious, I will pop down below once I get more info about it. So yes, here is the QR code, and then here all the products inside, and it's full products inside. And let's see, this month spoiler was this one here from Brushworks, the triangular powder puff duo. And it says, these triangular powder puffs are the perfect tool for creating flawless makeup. The triangular shape allows you to reach all areas of the face, while the ultra soft material ensures that your powder is distributed evenly for an airbrush finish. This set includes 2 powder puffs for added convenience and versatility. Perfect for use with all types of loose or pressed powders. The triangular powder puff duo is an essential tool for any makeup kit. And how to use it: simply dip your powder puff into any kind of powder and gently press and blend into the skin. Let's see inside. It has a seal. So we have 2 puff inside. We have this bigger one, pink one, and then we have a smaller one, which they are very soft. And this one is perfect to apply under your eye, as you can see. And this one too, lovely, if you have a very oily skin, this is perfect to retouch during the day. So yes, they're quite soft, and these are full size. And then the other product that was spoiler for this month, for July, this one from Lotte London. This is the Ready Set Go setting powder, true translucent. It has 5 grams. I hope I don't blind you, lovelies. And it has the seal. So let's open it, lovelies. It has the seal. It will take me again forever to open this. Here we go. It's like white powder, translucent, and this perfect together. You can apply it during the day. So yes, this is a nice product. And then the next one we have here, and this is from this Works, the spray morning expert wake up spray, motion activated aromatherapy spray to help improve mood and concentration. I really need this one at the moment. I have an exam coming soon, and I'm so like, my anxiety is over the roof at the moment. So yes, so let's smell it. Oh, smells relaxing. It doesn't have the lavender smell. It's more like essential oil. It has that smell. Very relaxing one. I really love it. It smells like when you go to a spa. It smells like that. Definitely, I like the smell. It has 10 ml. For more info, as always, lovelies, I will pop here the link that I did my lineup spoiler of these products. And then we have product here from Avant. This is the Reconstructing Keratin Complex Ultra Shine Hair Cream. This one. I never tried hair products from Avant. I tried their skincare and they don't suit on my skin, and I stopped using them because I have kind of reaction from their product. So yes, I never tried the hair stuffs, so I might try it. I will risk it to try this one and then we'll see. It has 25 ml. We know that Avant is quite overpriced product, but I saw this one, it's like 17 pounds. It's still expensive for how many product it is, but yeah, usually they're like 100, isn't it? It smells like shea butter, smells like that. So let's see, we will see this one here, and it says here, caution, carry out a patch test 24 hours before first used. Discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. Avoid direct contact with the eyes. Do not ingest. So that's why I'm gonna try it maybe at the end of my hair, at the tip of my hair, but we'll see. And then the next product I have here, which I'm so happy to receive, this is from First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. Does look like this. I think it has 10 pads inside, so this is just a travel size, and I don't really mind. I'm going holiday soon, so I'll definitely bring this one with me. This is really a good one if you have like a dull skin at the moment, and you need like a vitamin C. I highly recommend to try this one. It gives like glow to your skin, and yes, I'm so happy to receive it. And here it says, this alcohol-free pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. And then the last product I have in here, and this product, it wasn't on my lineup spoiler, and I'm really surprised that I've got in here because this is a full-size product, and this is from Aveeno. This is the Skin Relief Body Oil Spray. Instantly nourishes very dry, sensitive skin. Clinically proven to intensely moisture, smooth, even skin in just 1 week with oat oil and jojoba oil. This is a must for me at the moment. I really have like sunburn and dry skin. Can't wait to try it. And Aveeno product, I trust them because my daughter, since she was little, she has like eczema, and I usually use Aveeno to her because it does work on her skin. So yes, I always trust Aveeno, and I really can't wait to try this one. And this one, it says, this formula with a silky finish helps relieve and repair very dry skin from the first application by proving a long-lasting moisturization. And as you know, if you follow me for a while, you know that I don't really like the feeling of oily on my skin, but however, I really want to try this one because I think this is the new product from Aveeno. Oh, smells nice. Oh, smells really nice. Oh, can't wait to try it. So yes, I'm really surprised to receive it. It has 200 ml, so this is a full size. Love it. And then the last product we have here, this is a sample free gift one. This is from Lancome, the Idol La Parfum. And yeah, I love this product. I love the smell of this product. I have this one before, and I really enjoy receiving this kind of product, as you know, because I usually bring with me when I travel, when I go like air travel, and this is a perfect size to bring with me everywhere. So yes, that's it, lovelies. That's all. So let's do a recap. So you will get a free gift from Lancome, and then you will get a full size from Brushworks, the triangular powder puff duo, and then you will get facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty, and you will get from Avant the Reconstructing Keratin Complex Ultra Shine Hair Cream, and then you will get from Lotte London the Ready Set Co Setting Powder through the translucent powder, and then you will get also, this works, the Morning Expert Wake Up Spray. This one has, if I didn't say before 10 ml, and then I think this is a random one, like it will be like different from each box, I think. And I received the Aveeno Skin Relief Body Oil Spray. So yes, that is all, as you can see. And overall, lovelies, I'm really like happy with the box this month. The Aveeno one I will definitely try. The Brushworks one I will definitely use. Perfect to apply under your eye area or around your nose. So yes, the powder, I never tried this one, so we'll see. The wake up one from this works. It smells really gorgeous. So yes, and the pads, the Radiance pads, I really do like them. Yes, definitely I will use every single product in this box. So overall, lovelies, it's a thumbs up for me this month. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? Have you received this box? What products did you receive? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. And if you want to subscribe to Look Fantastic, I have my referral code, which I'll pop in here, and you will get 20% off on your box. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription box, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.